Do you want to speak English fluently in just 30 days? Follow this step-by-step plan, and you'll see real improvement. Key message: consistency and practice are key. Let's begin. Week 1, Building the Basics, Days 1 to 7. Day 1 to 2, Speak for 5 minutes daily. Pick any topic, yourself, hobbies, daily routine. Example: today, I will talk about my favorite hobby. Day 3 to 4, Learn and use common phrases. Greetings and introductions. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. What do you do? Day 5 to 6, Shadowing technique. Repeat after native speakers from TED Talks, BBC Learning English, and movies. Day 7, Pronunciation practice. Tongue twisters. She sells seashells by the seashore. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Week 2, Expanding vocabulary and fluency, days 8 to 14. Day 8 to 9, Learn 5 new words daily. Example words: enthusiastic, reliable, impressive, confident, curious. Day 10 to 11, Start thinking in English. Instead of translating, describe things in English. Example: instead of think, this is a book. Day 12 to 13, Watch movies with subtitles. Movie camera. Recommended: Forrest Gump, The Pursuit of Happiness, Harry Potter. Repeat key dialogues. Day 14, Role-playing conversations. Practice real-life situations, ordering food, booking tickets, small talk. Week 3, Improving fluency and confidence, days 15 to 21. Day 15 to 16, Speak for 10 minutes without stopping. Pick a random topic and talk continuously. Day 17 to 18, Record yourself and listen. Topics: my dream job or my favorite travel destination. Day 19 to 20, Learn common idioms and phrasal verbs. Break a leg, good luck. Let's call it a day, stop working. Day 21, Join an English-speaking community. Use HelloTalk, Cambly, or Meetup. Week 4, Mastering fluency and advanced techniques, days 22 to 30. Day 22 to 23, Debate and discuss topics. Examples: is AI a threat to jobs? Day 24 to 25, Try accent training. Use apps like ELSA Speak and BBC Pronunciation Guide. Day 26 to 27, Speak to a native speaker. Platforms: Tandem, italki, or Google Assistant. Day 28 to 29, Public Speaking Challenge. Speak in front of a mirror or record yourself. Topics: my biggest achievement. The person who inspires me. Day 30, Celebrate your progress. Reflect on your journey. Share your experience in the comments. Conclusion: last 1 to 2 minutes. Recap key steps: speak daily, learn vocabulary, watch English content, and keep practicing. Ask viewers, what's your biggest challenge in learning English? Comment below. Call to action: like, subscribe and share for more English tips.